morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Purvi and I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you never miss out on an upload. So today I'm filming a oh my god, I was almost going to say day in my life. No, it's not that. It's the Instagram followers control my day for 24 hours. It's not gonna be 24 hours, but whatever, you get the gist. I just woke up. I freshened up a little bit. First poll that I posted on Instagram was breakfast, and I asked you guys if I should eat corn or toast for breakfast. Now, really like both, but my breakfast mood depends when I wake up. And today I was feeling corn, but you guys wanted me to eat toast, so that's what I'm gonna eat. Yeah, and let's go. I'm gonna debuff my face a little bit, and then I'm going prepare a breakfast. Breakfast! I did not ask you if I should drink chai because I need my chai in the morning, because without chai I cannot wake up in the morning. So this is something I cannot negotiate. This you guys selected. So let's eat. Breakfast done. I'm gonna go ahead and do some work around the house, and I will see you guys for the next bowl. Okay guys, it's time for the next bowl. I'm about to go and hop in the shower. I asked you guys if I should stay in my PJs or if I should dress up. I am regretting that decision because it was a close decision. A lot of you guys wanted me to stay in PJs, but a lot of you also wanted me to dress up, you little rascals. But since dressing up is winning, I need to think of a way to dress up where I don't have to wear jeans, because I don't want to wear jeans. It's gonna be so uncomfortable the whole day, and I don't think I can take it off until I work out. So that's gonna be a challenge. I don't want to wear jeans. I'm gonna think of something and I'm gonna be back once I am dressed. Yeah, let's go. A day full of misery, I guess. Guys, I am out of the shower and ready. Did my skincare, put some lip balm on, tried to tame my hair. It's not the best today, you know, she has her days. So I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. This is the fit. I'm wearing a kurti with white leggings because I didn't want to wear jeans, so I decided to dress up. This is dressing up for me. I don't wear kurtis very often. If I'm going somewhere or like for the occasion, I will wear it every now and then. But yeah, since I didn't want to wear any jeans, I'm wearing these. Before you guys ask, I don't know where this is from. I got it last year from like a shop. It's from a local brand. I don't know what brand it is, but I think you can find similar pieces in Reliance Trends. And these leggings are also from a local brand. So yeah, and also my mom's. I don't wear leggings like these. So yeah, that's it for the outfit, guys. Okay guys, so the next poll was, I asked you guys if I should study or if I should edit, and I was really hoping that you guys don't pick edit, because I do have a video to edit, but it is not good. I filmed one last night. It's like a skincare routine. I'm gonna film again tonight and I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. I don't think I'm gonna post it on YouTube. But yeah, that was what I was going to edit, but like the video turned out really bad because I was really tired last night. So that happened, and I have another video which is almost ready. I have to just make a finishing touch to it, but I was not going to post it this week, so there's no point in putting time in it. I am going to post this video first this weekend, and then I think I'm gonna post the other video that I filmed like last week. It's a long one, so I think I'm gonna post it later on because you guys don't seem to like my long videos. My hand is hurting. I'm gonna sit down. Okay, so you guys don't seem to like the long videos, but this video that I'm going to post, it's a really long video, but it's a different video. I haven't filmed anything like that before, but I liked watching such videos, so I made one. I don't know how it will do, but I will post it next week. I was going to post it this week. When this video goes up, I was going to post that video, but that's not happening. My hair is really bad. You guys told me to study. This is the result right here. I'm kind of happy because I do have to study. I usually study at this time, and I don't want to edit because editing, I hate editing. You guys know that by now. So yeah, I'm gonna go and study now, and then I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye. It's been it's been 2 hours I've been studying, and now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go make lunch. So I asked you guys for lunch, should I eat a sandwich or should I eat sorry. So I asked you guys for lunch if I should eat a sandwich or if I should eat sabzi roti that my mom is going to make. But you guys, most of you guys actually said sandwich. This is the result right here. And so I'm gonna go and make it right now. Okay guys, I have my lunch here with me, sandwich, and my bottle of water. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. That's the TV in the background, and I'm not gonna film myself eating, and I will see you guys after I'm done eating. Hey guys, I know it's been a few hours since we talked. I was filming, that's why. Oops. I was not filming, but I was creating this look, and then I was now clicking pictures, and I completely forgot that I had to film. So the next post that I put up was, should I work out at home or should I go for a walk? And these are the results. So I'm gonna take off this makeup, change into my workout clothes, and then we can get going. Yeah, and if you like this look, go head on over to my Instagram and double tap. I might have posted this picture already. For a walk, actually workout at home was winning last I saw, and then now when I was taking a screenshot I saw that walk was winning. So I'm going out. I don't usually go out, but just for this video I'm gonna go for a walk. I don't like walking. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing because I changed, as you can see. This is what I'm wearing.
Later.
I want to remove my mask, but then I'll be awkward because I'm speaking to my phone and like there are like 2-3 people here. So kinda wanna okay, this will have to do. So yeah, I just got back from the mile run and walk, and now I'm sitting here cooling off a little bit because the sun is setting, so I'm gonna watch the sunset. So yeah, I'm sitting here. I just wanted to check in and tell you guys that the next poll was evening snack, coffee or a fruit. And as much as I love coffee, I was hoping that you guys would pick a fruit because I'm like really hungry because I only had one sandwich, and yeah, I'm really hungry, but you guys selected coffee. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do like an early dinner today. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I make my coffee, and yeah, I'm gonna sit here for like 5 more minutes I guess because it's really hot, and then I'm gonna go. It is around, no, it is 7:30 right now. I'm about to go and cook dinner for myself, and you guys, I posted the poll asking guys if you wanted me to cook pasta or paneer chili, and I'm shocked that so many of you guys wanted me to cook paneer chili because it won. I thought most of you will want me to cook pasta, but like I'm not complaining. It is okay for me because I'm eating clean, so that's perfect because paneer chili is clean for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go cook, and again there will be a time lapse of me cooking. And the next poll that I asked you guys, should I post on IG today? You guys wanted me to post, so I am editing my new post right now. It will be up in a few hours. I mean, by the time you watch this video, it will already be up. But if you have not seen that post, this is the picture. Go onto my Instagram and double tap on it. Your girl needs some support on Instagram. So that's it, and I will see you guys when I am eating my dinner. Okay guys, I have my dinner now. This is what it looks like. I'm about to murder this thing because I'm hungry, and I will see you after I am done with this and for the next bowl. See ya. Bye. Okay guys, it is officially the end of the day and I'm super tired, and the last poll that I have to do is masking. So I asked you guys if I should do a sheet mask or a clay mask, and it was 50-50. So I'm thinking of doing sheet mask because I'm too lazy and too tired to go and put on clay mask and sit for 30 minutes to let it dry. So I'm gonna do a sheet mask quickly and I will call it the night for this video. So let's go get our sheet masks on. I just got done with my skincare for the night, so I can get into the mask. I do this thing where when I mask, like sheet mask, not clay mask, whenever I mask, I don't put, oh my god, please don't mind my hair guys. When I mask my face with a sheet mask, I don't apply moisturizers afterwards because I don't know, I just don't feel like applying it. I just want to let it sit in my skin overnight. Seems to work for me. Ah. Oh, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Secrets Unmasked Pearl and Hyaluronic Acid for firm and brightened skin. I usually don't use Nykaa's sheet mask. I don't usually like them for different reasons. But this one in particular is my favorite from them. I use this one a lot. Otherwise, I use Face Shop mostly. I don't usually use Nykaa's sheet mask. So, or Sugar sheet masks are really nice. I love Sugar's sheet masks. So, yeah. Are you ready for clown shit? And then look like a ghost. Oh, this is perfect. It's Halloween month. Very nice. Spooky season? Let's go. I should just post this instead of doing a makeup look. Okay guys, I'm gonna let this sit for like 15 minutes and then I'm gonna be back for the outro.